Ayan guys, so andito na kami sa Capernaum Park. So freezing, fresh. So, oh, dito na tayo maligo. What's this? Yan, water. Akala namin magsi-CR lang, maganda pala dito. Yo!
So nice.
Yes. It's fresh. Tan tan taran! My gosh! Akala ko, wow, la 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 la. Ah, old fisherman.
Yung fisherman long time ago. Ano yung stone na yun?
A long time ago.
Ay, ikan video ata.
Dua.
Nyata video?
Un. Hindi nga, balik na.
Balik na daw.
Ako ay tag-picture lang dito eh.
Fish! Oh my gosh! Yan ang lawak. So how much more doon sa malayo? Malalaki na siguro. Oy, halina kayo. Bawal na pala dyan. Picture lang dyan eh. Yan. So dito kami sa Galilee. Sea of Galilee. Ayan. So basahin po natin yan sa Matthew 4:18. And Jesus walking by the Sea of Galilee so breathed in Simon called Peter and Andrew his brother, casting a net into the sea, for they were fishers. And he said unto them, Follow me, and I will make you fishers of men.
Ayan, hi. Say hi. Say hi. Yan na po. Hi. Yeah. Jump. Tuwa. Oh, hi. Nakadayo. Hi. Yan si sis is. So. Ah? One. Ang kaway-kaway kami. Hi. Model candidate number 1. Miss Insimpura. Italo. Kung mga nag-jump.
Nag-jump!
Italo nga step. Italo nga step. Mag-jump ka. No? Ditalo, lagto, dita, okay? Bumaba ka pa, lagto.
I will declare. What did you learn today, my friend?
God is the bread of life.
God. Really? Dapay. Pay magbayag pa tayo ito?
What is the miracle in Galilee? Jesus.
In Jesus' name.
Jesus walked under the water. Jesus stopped the storm.
Wow, galing! What else?
Paano topic kanina lang yun?
Jesus walked in the water. Jesus stopped the storm.